Yeah, hi all, this is Deepak. Today in this video we are going to see how to configure the Java build path and how to resolve the errors which are coming while creating a new project using Spring Boot or Java. Okay, so herein I have collected some of the build issues or the errors which we commonly face while creating a new project using Spring Boot or Java. So some of the samples like sometimes we don't find the build path option as altogether. How to resolve that? Sometimes not java.lang.Object cannot be resolved. There are other Java related we can say version mismatch, and there are some Spring related classes are not finding. So there are lot many kind of errors we can see. We are going to add this in this video. Okay, so we'll start by creating the project. We can name it as a user service. We can select the build as a maven. Click next. Next. In this video we are at some occurrences if the error is not coming, so we will do some trial and error so that the error will first reproduce and then we will resolve that, so that we can cover the most of the scenarios of the error. Okay, fine. So here we can see only one error is occurring. So let us see here we can see the project configure build path option is coming. So we will do some settings so that we will do some trial and error so that some this option would not appear altogether. Okay, so I will go to the project facet, and from there, okay, from there I will uncheck this option. So now check what will happen. You can see here no actions available, means build configuration option is not coming. So if you come across this error, so you can simply go to project facet and check this, apply and close. So this is the uh, solution for that. You can choose the required Java version and do that. Once that is done, you can update the maven project. Okay, fine. Now you can see build path is coming again as expected. Okay, now here we can see the Java compiler does not match the version of the install the Java project facet. In project facet we have used Java version of 11, Java version we should change it to 11, apply close. Okay, now this error is removed. Okay, fine. Now okay, now we will go to the our form file. Before going to that, how to build in case the version is not compatible, and if you want to configure the build path, how to do that I will tell you. Let me remove this module path. Again go to add library. Next, now let me click on installed JRE. I will remove this and add it again so that you will come to know how to do that. Okay, I will go to the JDK. Okay, yes, now I can check this. Click apply and close. Okay, finish. Apply and close. One more thing, we need to check Java compiler. We can check it should be as we have set. Like if you are using Java 11, it should be pointing to Java 11. Fine. Now next thing we can see this error. Okay, so before that we have set this one. Fine. Now okay, so this error is coming now. Here like we are setting the we are using Java 11 and here the version is set as in Java 17. So we will change that first. Okay, now this error is still occurring. Now what we will do, like we will add maven jar plugin version. This is basically getting used to build the jar file, and this is the respective to our uh, Java version and Spring Boot version. Okay, mostly Java version. Uh, okay. Now next thing. Okay, now you can see project configuration. Another error, like project configuration is not up to date with form.xml. We need to do the maven update. Okay, so here you can come to maven and click on update project. You can choose the force update as well in case it is not working. Okay, now you can see all errors are gone. Okay, so now we will do like maven install. Okay, now at least what we have done, we have removed all the problems, means red we have removed, but now this is coming the build error. Okay, so whenever we try to compile this, we are facing some other problems like cannot access uh, okay, cannot access Spring Boot application, and here you can see class file has wrong version, should be 55 instead of this one. Okay, so now what we will do, like we will check our Java version. Yes, we are pointing to 17. Okay, and actually in our project we are using uh, 11, so we need to uh, change this. Yes, we need to change it to the 11, so we can use this command set java home and the expected version, and we need to update the path as well using this command. Okay, now we can check the Java version. This still is showing. Oh, there is a command is not correct. Yes, it should be Java home. Okay, he was missing there. Now check. Yes, you can see the Java 11 is pointing. Okay, now we can do like we can install it again and check. Okay, now still it is showing some kind of bad class file. Okay, now what we will do, it is saying compilation failure test file execute. Okay, this is related to, okay, so it is saying failure to execute goal test compile. Okay, fine. So here like cannot find symbols, Spring Boot test and all. So this problem occurs. In order to resolve this, we have to add one new entry. Okay, instead of this plugin, which is Spring Boot Maven plugin, we can add, we replace this plugin with this one, or Apache Maven plugin. Click save, Maven update. Now we can check. Okay, so now some other error is coming. Okay, so plugin dot Maven show short plugin test. Okay, so this is related to the Again, there is some other error. Again, we have the another plugin we need to add, Maven Fire, that is Maven Surefire plugin. So we need to add that so that it will get. You can format this. Okay. So this we have added. We can save it and let us check. Yes, we can see the build is success. Okay, everything is compiling as expected. Now let us run. Okay, now the next error is coming. So which is like Spring Boot application has compiled by more recent version of the Java runtime. Okay, okay. So here like we have used this one. Okay, fine. See here the version we are using Spring Boot. It is the latest one, 3 plus something, 3.2.4, and for Java version we are using 11. So what happens? This 3 plus version, 3 version 3 or above, Spring Boot version 3 and above will work for only Java 17 version. We need to have Java 17 version if you want to use 3 plus version of Spring Boot. Okay, but we are using the Java 11, so we will use something which is lesser than 3, version which is lesser than 3. Okay, now let us check. We need to update the Maven again. We'll build it. Let us see. Okay, it's built success. Now we can see Spring Boot app. Yes, we can see the now the application is started successfully within the 0.7 seconds something. Okay, so now we have covered most of the errors which can occur while you create a new project using Spring Boot or Java. So you can address these errors which I have shown it while before we start the video. So these are all the errors we have. Most of the errors we have covered. So you can apply the same things if you are facing the similar kind of problems and resolve the issues as such. Thank you for watching the video. If you like the video, if you like the video, so do like and subscribe the same. Thank you so much.